So I'm at Three Sisters for my last drift day of 2020. Car is looking a bit worse for wear, proper end of season vibe. I have to do a lot of fiberglass repair for next year. Track looks good, it's not set to rain or anything, so it's gonna be nice and dry. I'm still non-caged, I'm in the non-cage class, which is annoying because I'd love to like twin and practice a bit of twinning. Yeah, just set up all the car, put all the body kit on, checked everything, ready to go. Just gonna do the briefing and then get on out there. Warm up a little bit, see how we do. Second gear hero here. It's probably the only thing I can do at Three Sisters at the minute with this diff. We've got mad grip. We're running 225 4517s. I'm running like 30 psi on the back. Sorry, 33 psi on the back, 30 in the front. Mad grip, much more grip than usual. It's a really nice grippy surface here. Really is gripping up a lot though, which is a good thing. I wanted to add more grip to this car. Annoyingly, water temp gauge doesn't work. I don't know why. So I need to keep an eye on the old stock crappy gauge. Hopefully that actually tells me something. I mean, still haven't aligned this. I literally tucked it into the garage after T-side and driftland and haven't really touched it since. Gave it the usual once over, nut and bolt check and that, but nothing much else. I should have really sorted that out. You know, I had a lot of time to do stuff before this drift day, but hey ho. Lazy Tom there. Slightly squeaky power steering belt by the sounds of it again. Might need to adjust that. Loads of grip. Oh my god. We've dialed in much more grip than I remember last time when I was here. Holy shit. was lovely. So that's what, my 4th lap I think today. She feels super dialed, so fucking grippy, man. That is such a change with these spacers. Just as we said in the T-side vid like a couple of vids ago, giving us that squat is honestly, it's really surprising how much grip that's given me. Messy. Yeah, we've definitely got something going on at the front here. It's getting stuck lock to lock, which it didn't do at Driftland, and I have not had a crash or done anything to the car in that respect since. It's sat in the garage most of the time, so that's an interesting revelation. Shallow on the old clipping point at the front there, caught the front right wheel, but I think I got away with it. Really bogged there, but nothing else anywhere else. Okay, I need to check. Oh fuck me, what's this? Oil. Shit. Oh, we got a leaky fucking gearbox. Oh, that's the last thing I wanted. So sit rep as I get ready. I've just gone through the whole car. There's no boost leak, there's no oil leaks or anything like that. Nothing untoward. It's sat here a while as I've tightened up the body kit and stuff again, and there's no leaks as it cools down, and it's not leaving any puddles. So I don't know what that bogging is. It might even just be because I'm catching grip, but the only thing that I need to watch, I suppose, is the seal here has gone. Hopefully I'm aiming at that right, but I've just tidied this up again. It must be, I'm glad we've got a gator here because it's got fucking oil pissing up, so I'll keep an eye on this. Interesting. I need a new gearbox seal at the top here. But other than that, fingers crossed, all is okay. Obviously I don't want to tempt fate, so I'm not going to keep chatting about it, but as far as I can see, nothing needs adjusting or messing about with or fixing. Okay, we have got a boost leak. Oh shit, no, it's a, oh fuck, it's a turbo. Well, as quick as it started, it's finished. I did about probably 10 or 12 laps. It started to bite a bit. You know, like I said on GoPro, it felt like it was biting and then bogging right at the top end. Came in, checked everything. There was no leak, there was no untoward holes or like boost leaks or anything like that. So I went back out, a couple more laps, everything was fine. Then it did it again, big style, and you know, white smoke out of the exhaust, turbo oil situation. Came back in, took it all off the hot side, and there's no play in the turbo or anything. Two guys with SICK 180s were helping me diagnose what it could be, and I think without ripping the plugs up and everything and seeing if there's a cylinder problem, I don't think there's an engine issue, it's turbo related, and the two bolts that sandwich it together, I'm at least missing two bolts that sandwich the turbos together. So fuck knows how they would have fallen out, or if, you know, it just never came with it, never caused me a problem till now. There's no play on the shaft of the turbo or anything like that. So yeah, my day is done after 12 laps and one morning. At least I got sort of a morning in, and the car felt really good. So I'm a bit gutted, but hey, April next year we'll get it back out and crack on, but for now, yeah, the car is finito. Need to get either a new turbo or figure out what the hell's going on, because it's flushing a lot of oil through the whole system. It's not good. I'm just going to watch for a bit, record a few cool cars in the pits and a bit of a drive in, and then head home early. Happens sometimes, but yeah, end of season blues.